Hi everyone, welcome back to another review. This time I'm going to take a look at the Blackout Thomas. I intended to buy no more push-alongs after my Diamond Thomas, but when I heard about the Blackout themed engines, I couldn't resist. I've also bought Blackout Salty, but it was quite a challenge to get my hands on this version of Thomas. I'm glad I found him, because now I can share it with everyone who watches this video. I don't have a lot to say about the packaging. Up right you see Thomas in the colors of his Blackout theme. However, there's one thing that could be improved. It's about the use of different names, because you don't know which version of Thomas you're actually buying. They have released a lot of variants of Thomas, and every time when they recreate the package, they just decided to name it Thomas. Just Thomas. I have unboxed another Thomas and something seems not quite right. I will come back to that later on in this video. When I take a closer look, I see a lot of differences in comparison to the regular Thomas. The biggest difference is of course the matte black paint job. If you look at the package, you can see that the whistle is gold. In reality, the whistle is painted black. The smoke box is translucent black with glitters on it. With the right angle you can distinguish the glossy painted details from the matte black. The roof is glossy black and has a different type of texture. That is also the case for the windows. This is the part where I say something about this unpainted wheel. At first I thought it was just a factory error. The paint was actually not missing, it was just on the wrong side of the wheel. The bottom is translucent with glitters, but it's a different shade of red than the running board. The only thing that has been added on this side are the boiler bands. They could have paid more attention to the back. It's just plain matte black without any details. It would be better if all the details from the side also appeared on the back side. I think that the running board is a bit too bright in comparison to the other shades of red. When the light shines through the bottom part, it creates the illusion of glow. The red lining on the wheels are a nice touch to this Blackout version. If you take a good look at the smoke box, you can see the phase mechanism. For anyone who is wondering, this is another Thomas than the one I showed inside the package. When I decided to unpack the other one, it appears to have an unpainted wheel. Unfortunately, this was not the first time I have some issues with the quality of push-alongs. When you have no choice but to order items online, or abroad online in my case, the only thing you can do is hope that you don't get sent any faulty items. Because exchanging the item or getting your money back is too much hassle. I hope you have enjoyed my video of Blackout Thomas. This review ends with a 360 video. Thanks for watching!